easy ever since. Integrating AI algorithm, 70mi trained the voice recognition model with more than 20,000 different voices, accents, and dialects.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70mi is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70mi is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70mi to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70mi app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70mi is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is Uncommon 70mi Smart Dashcam.